Hello everyone, I am Rohit Anarate. I explain topic on recursive algorithm for binary tree traversals. Binary tree traversals. Traversal is a common operation performed on data structure. It is process in which each and every element present in data structure is visited at least once. This may be done to display all the elements or to perform an operation on all the elements. For example, to traverse singly linked list, we start with the first node in the list and proceed forward through the list by following next pointer store in each node until we reach the end of the list. A doubly linked list can also be traversed in reverse order, starting at the last node in the list and processing backwards down the list by following pre-pointer store in each node, stopping when we reach the beginning of the list. Arrays can likewise easily be traversed either forward or backward, simply by starting with either the first or last element and then increment or decrement a subscript or pointer to the array element. On the other hand, binary trees can be traversed in multiple ways. These nodes describe three different traversals: pre-order, in-order, and post-order. Now that we have examined the functionality of our tree data structure, it is time to look at some additional usage patterns for trees. These usage patterns can be divided into the three ways that we access the nodes of the tree. There are three commonly used leaf patterns to visit all the nodes in a tree. The difference between these patterns is the order in which node is visited. We call the visitation of the nodes a traversal. The three traversal we look at is called pre-order, in-order, or post-order. Let's start out of by defining these three traversals more carefully. Then look at the some examples where these patterns are useful. In-order traversal of binary tree. The recursive algorithm of in-order traversal is very simple. You just need to call the in-order method of binary tree in the order you want to visit the tree. What is most important is to include the base case, which is key to any recursive algorithm. For example, in this problem, the base case is you reach the leaf node and there is no more node to explore. At that point of time, recursion starts to wind down. Here are exact steps to traverse the binary tree using in order traversal. First one, visit left node. Second, print value of the root. And third, visit right node. And here the sample code to implement this algorithm using recursion in Java. Pre-order traversal of binary tree. The easiest way to implement the pre-order traversal of binary tree in Java is by using recursion. The recursion solution is hardly 3 to 4 lines of code and exactly mimic the steps. But before that, let's revise the some basic about binary tree and pre-order traversal. Unlike array and linked list, which have just one way to traverse, I mean linearly, the binary tree has several ways to traverse all nodes because of its hierarchical natural nature, like level order, pre-order, post-order, and in-order. Tree traversal algorithms are mainly divided into two categories: the depth first algorithm and breadth first algorithm. In depth first, you go deeper into tree before visiting the sibling node. For example, you go deep following the left node before you come back and traverse the right node. On the breadth first traversal, you visit the tree on its breadth, that is, all the nodes of one level are visited before you start with another level top to bottom. The pre-order, in-order, and post-order traversal are examples of the first traversal algorithm. As I told you before, the best algorithms are naturally recursive because a binary tree is a recursive data structure. In order to visit binary tree in pre-order, you can follow the following steps. Visit the node or root. Visit the left tree. Visit the right tree. In order to visit left and right subtree, you can just call the same method with the left and right node. Post-order binary tree traversal. This is the third article on tree traversal. In the last couple of articles, I have shown you how to implement pre-order and in-order traversal in Java, both recursively and iteratively. And you will learn about the post-order traversal. Out of these three main tree traversal algorithm, the post-order traversal is most difficult to implement, especially the iterative version. In post-order traversal, you first visit left subtree and then right subtree, and at last you print the value of root or not. So the value of root is always printed at the last in the pre-order traversal. As I told you before, all three pre-order, in-order, and post-order are the first algorithm, so you go down in binary tree first before visiting nodes of the same level. The implementation of the recursive algorithm is very simple. You just need to adjust the order of recursive call according to the algorithm and you are done. But iterative algorithm requires some efforts to get it right. Then some examples of in order, pre-order, and post-order. So this is the recursive algorithm for binary tree traversal. Thank you.